guys, eCorg here with a quick review of the Arlo IP65 wireless high definition security camera. Arlo has been prompting me to rate this product for a long time, so instead I'm doing a video to give you an overview of the wireless camera features and whether or not this camera is for you. Okay, so this is model number IP65. I'm currently using 4 Arlo cameras. Each takes about 4 Lithium CR123 Photo batteries, which I purchased at Menards. In this case, the batteries are Raptor rechargeable batteries, and so far I'm happy with the results. Batteries do go in 2 up and 2 down. Now this base station is a netgear base station from Arlo, model number VMB 3500. Here you have a power indicator, and then you have the internet connection, and then the camera connection. Once the batteries are loaded and you've connected your base station to your wireless internet, you hold down the top button on top of the camera until the blinking blue. Now the Arlo camera I'm using can be installed using 2 different mounts. The sample here is a wall mount. For this mount, I installed it on a garage port metal frame using a self-tapping screw. Then I just slid the mount over the screw. The camera has a strong magnet, and you attach it to the mount like this. Now there are sort of places I place the camera, and I'll show you a couple of evening videos and one daytime video. What I liked about the Arlo camera is that it's portable and flexible, and that the camera placement, you can put it almost anywhere.
There's free video on the internet for 7 days, and then it will overwrite itself and you can access that. Otherwise, if you want more time, you'll have to pay a fee.
What I didn't like was the slow trigger time and the grainy appearance of nighttime figures. If you need clarity from this particular camera, it would have to be daytime. You'll need a security sign along with the camera also if you want to deter crime, because the camera has such a low profile. So thanks for watching. If you like this review, please subscribe.